Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the camera blurry or not focusing issue on this device. So first of all, simply clean your lens if you are facing anything, and otherwise you can restart your camera application. And otherwise you can reset the camera settings. For this, simply go to camera, go to the camera settings. At the bottom tab, you can see the option reset settings. Simply reset your camera. And also you can update your software. Actually, blurry photos are often caused by the dirt or software glitches. So for this, you can clean your camera and you can restart your camera applications or reset the camera settings or update the software. Okay, so this fix restore the camera clarity and improve focus. So simply in this way, we can fix camera blurry or not focusing issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.